This beautiful property is gonna get transformed to what is already awesome to awesomer. We will be eliminating these stairs here and replacing them with a floating stair. So coming in, we walk into this amazing great room. Once we finish doing the renovations here, we're gonna have beautiful new floors, much more modern touch, LED pot lights, everything modernized. This is gonna disappear. That wall disappears, gone. With this wall on, what we're gonna be able to do is bring the kitchen over here, and you're gonna have a tremendous island. This is gonna be the family eating area. These windows and doors here, they're gonna be transformed into folding doors. So this is just gonna be beautiful. This space over, this is gonna become the main office. We're actually gonna repurpose this space for a wonderfully organized mudroom / laundry room. These coffered ceilings are gonna turn into beautiful detailed drop ceilings. When we're done, every bedroom on this floor will have its own full ensuite. This is primary suite to end all primary suites. Look at all of this natural light pouring in. Double-sided fireplace that connects to the primary ensuite. On our way down to the basement, these stairs are all gonna be covered in hardwood. No carpet in this place. On our right here is a mechanical room. Last room on our left is gonna be the movie room, playroom area. All right, let's head out of here and head into the last kid's bedroom. So we are gonna be nudging this wall that way a little bit and creating more space in here. Beautiful full bath in here for guests to use. What we are gonna be doing is turning this space into a gym. This is gonna go away. We're gonna clean this area up here. Coming in here, we're gonna have an anti-wine cellar. So in here, we are gonna have a sauna, and right here, cold plunge. I can't even believe how much progress we have made on this project. We have speaker rings in, we have pot light rings in, we have a bunch of alarm wire, speaker wire going here, there, and everywhere. One of the things that we decided to do is sister the joists with steel stud, and we did that so that we can ensure that the ceiling is flat. We are getting to the minutia of getting all of the rough-in work done inside in terms of how the wires and plumbing are all getting done. We can see that we are well underway with all of our low voltage work. Wires nicely organized in the wall. We have made a metric butt ton of progress since our last video. These guys are flying around the house getting insulation in the walls like this. We can see up here all sorts of amazing insulation. You can already feel how much warmer the house is. So this home is pretty much ready for drywall to start next week. Here we are on the main floor of the house. This is the mudroom laundry area. This is actually going to be pretty much all millwork on all 4 walls here. All insulated. Windows have all been sealed up now, so you can really notice that the home is already a lot quieter from the outside and a lot warmer on the inside. All right, so we're in the kitchen now. You can see here we have got a massive 10-inch duct for the hood fan. Amazing. We've got a folding door here. I mean, there's a folding door over there as well. There will be a folding door there. You can see that we have now poured the floors for the radiant, kind of family area over here, family zone over here, pantry here, dining room here, and then through this wall here will be an office. So up here, we've got one of our new members, Thomas, working on getting some window liners in that are all having to be custom made because there's no casings on this project. It's all hidden, clean, super modern. Yeah, like you're not gonna see a thing anywhere. We have now had the snow guards put on at the ends of the roof, so that is going to prevent snow from sliding off the metal roof and tearing off gutters and causing all sorts of damage beneath. We have also started to install the new sidewall shingles on the upper floor, so that's the small corner in gray there. So up here, yes, believe it or not, this is all wrapped in sheet metal. And so that just gives a really, really clean look. We are in what will be the future sauna, future steam room. There will be a wall roughly right underneath here. And then this is gonna be a self-supporting floating bench here. I think the new design is phenomenal. And then over here, steam room, still floating benches, but it's gonna be between two walls, so a little less tricky to construct, but still really, really cool. Renders look amazing. And then this is where we're gonna have a cold plunge. It's gonna be very, very, very cool. We have doors. We have now got our folding doors installed, all dialed in, looking great, ready to go. The front door company is actually just here installing the pivot door. So let's just go around the corner and have a look and see what's going on with that. Like, look at this thing.
Is your front door as thick as this? That is beautiful. The action, so smooth.
We have got the ceilings redone in here in the bathroom. We've got radiant floor, which will also get electric floor on top of that as well. In here, tilers have been getting to work. And in here, we have got the floor filled in and be getting started to building this up again because this is gonna be a raised platform. We've got the rough-in for the deck-mounted tub filler and for the drain for the tub. We've got window liners installed and drywall where drywall goes in here. Still a long ways to go on this project. Lots of great things coming up. Thanks for watching. Continue to watch, like and subscribe as my kids always tell me to say on these videos. Stay awesome. Have a great day.